Every great project begins with an idea, and your dream garden room or log cabin is no different. Start by sketching a simple outline. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be technical. Just note a few key details. First, the width, length, and height of your cabin. If your design includes internal rooms, sketch the layout of internal walls too. Then, mark the door and window positions, and include their codes. We'll send you our full selection so you can choose the perfect styles and sizes to suit your design. Select your wall thickness, 44, 70, or 88 mm. We'll guide you on the best option based on your cabin's size and purpose. Finally, choose your roof type, apex, pent, or flat concealed pent roof. Each gives a unique look and feel. And that's it. This simple sketch is all we need to prepare your project details and send you a no-obligation, non-binding cabin quote, quick, easy, and completely tailored to your design.